Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the live stream. We're going to be streaming on YouTube and on Twitter today. I will be taking comments and stuff off of the YouTube live stream though. So if you guys are watching on Twitter, you guys are kind of silent on there. Unfortunately, I can't really check those while I'm on the live stream. So if you're interested in participating in the chats or getting in on chart requests, you're gonna have to do that on the YouTube channel. But yeah, we're just be going through the charts today, guys. Just analyzing, whatever it's called, the markets, and just kind of see where we're at. If you guys have any coin predictions or anything like that. But yeah, Bitcoin right now, guys. Bitcoin right now is about ready to rip. I mean, if you look at the day chart right here, we saw that that retracing back down to that prior high support level from 2021 as the bounce, and we overtook the 786. And now we're currently about ready to flip bullish on all our indicators right here. The MACD on the day chart, we're about ready to flip bullish. The RSI is completely reset. We went all the way back down to 50 before we put in a higher high. And if you look at the WTX is also reset. We put in a nice V-shaped bottom right there. So this week, guys, I'd be keeping an eye on a possibly $73,000 BTC. And if we happen to break above that, the next resistance area is 85K. But yeah, we finally saw the reset. It finally reset after several days here on BTC. It seemed like the entire month of March was just a BTC reset, gearing up for the move to the push higher. Gearing up for the push higher. Yo, it sneaks in the house. Me too, baby. I see it up there. I see it up there. Yeah, man. Me too to the moon. That coin's unstoppable, I swear. I swear. So I'm just gonna be looking through some charts till more people sprinkle in here. Let me actually pull something up on my phone real quick, so I can see. Last couple of days have been terrible. Yeah, the last couple of days I've been really busy this week. I haven't really had any time to do live streams or anything like that. So Everearn, yeah, Everearn really hasn't been doing much lately, but it'll come back from the dead eventually. It'll come back from the dead eventually. Scam coin Everearn? No, it's not. It's not a scam coin. Let's see. I think I have mine set to Solana. Where's it at? Oh, you can't even find it on here anymore. Let's see if we can find it. Can't pull it up. I'll have to look into that off the live stream. I know it's not a scam right now. It's not a scam, but yeah, they're really kind of just taking some time off for the time being. Last couple days, but I've had a good portfolio, so I'm only down a couple thousand. I have a good portfolio, only down a couple thousand. Yeah, I mean, I mean, if we're talking about an all-time high from like the last month or so, like my overall portfolio is in profit, but yeah, the last month or so, man, I'm down several $1,000s, but it's not like I'm in the hole. My portfolio is still green. My portfolio is still green. So really not too worried about that. I think we'll recover eventually, man. Like at the beginning of the live stream, we talked about BTC. BTC is about ready to flip bullish. And then baby Pepe, man, baby Pepe to the moon. This thing had a very nice bounce today. If you guys have been part of my channel for any amount of time, you know how bullish I am on baby Pepe and baby Bonk. Oh, we had a nice, what, 24% move today. Oh, you only use Coinbase coins. Okay. Yeah, so we had a nice 24% move today on baby Pepe. So hopefully that is the start of something big for baby Pepe. I know once they get to $5 million market cap, they're getting listed on MEXC. We actually just broke above the 382 area, currently working our way up towards the 0.5 here at around 5076. Indicators still have some juice left in the tank, it looks like. I mean, the 4 hours looking amazingly good. The 4 hours about ready to cross over bullish on the MACD and crossover bullish on the RSI. So I'd be gearing up for that. Obviously, we're going to have to contend with this downtrend resistance area, which looks like the convergence is around the 618 right here. So I'd be keeping an eye on something like that. Then once we get to this downtrend resistance area, then that's where we're really going to have to keep an eye on that. Because once we get out of that, that's going to be a downtrend that we broke throughout the entire month of March, guys. And then we can start rocking and rolling on that. Nothing wrong with only using Coinbase coins. I catch some really good plays from there. Yeah, last bull run I pretty much only used Coinbase coins. I didn't know how to, I really didn't use MEXC or anything like that, and I did okay. Yo, the corn man in the house. What's up, brother? So soonest Raja, sorry, I can't say that name. I just saw this here from me too to the moon, man. That coin's unstoppable. It was $7,000 market cap. Let's look at it. This coin was a $7,000 market cap yesterday, guys, and it shot up to, I think, a $400,000 market cap earlier today. Holy crap, look at that. Yeah, it shot up to a $411,000 market cap earlier today. And then obviously a whale took some profit right there. But look at how great we're recovering from that whale taking profit right now. We had one whale take profit, and then I think this was a different whale right here that I think got pissed off at this whale and said, hey, screw you, I'm selling, so you can't buy back in. Because I think this whale right here was causing this drop, this drop, this drop, and it was the same person causing those. And I think after this last one, this whale got tired of him playing his games and just sent it to zero. Kind of screwed that other whale over. But those are whale games, guys. Nothing we have to worry about unless you're a whale. But yeah, look at this amazing recovery we've had since the whale sell-off right here for me too. Indicators are looking pretty strong as well. If we look at the fibs, we actually wicked right down to the 786, broke back above our 618. Now we're currently finding resistance at the 382, which is sitting at about 1756. So 1756 is our resistance area for me too. If we break above that, that's where we're going to start seeing some very, very volatile bullish movement to the upside to approximately the 236 area right here at about 2500. And then that 2500 is going to be a very heavy resistance area. So that's where we're really going to have to kick it into gear for me too, is once we get up to this green line, once we get up to that 236. If we look all the way back at yesterday and earlier today, that was an area that we got resistance from once, twice, 3 times, and then 4 times. So that area out of all the price range that we've had on Me Too is giving us the most difficulties, is around here at about 2,500 micro pennies. So once we get up there, man, we have to start doing some rating, some pushing to send it to the moon. But man, this thing has recovered phenomenally. It's just we're having a difficult time in the short term getting over that 382 area right there at about 17, I would say 1,800 micro pennies. If we get above that, the next push is up to that main 236 area. I think we can do it, guys. And just to be said, man, it's better that these JEETs are out now rather than when the coin's at a couple $1 million market cap, right? It's better to have these JEETs out early instead of having them hold and then crash in the price later on. You can see we can definitely recover like this. And it's perfectly normal in the early stages of coins to see very, very high volatility because there's not a lot of liquidity and it's easy to acquire a lot of coins at the earlier stages. It's the diamond hand holders through the early volatile stages that reap the rewards during the heavy bull run stages, guys. So that's what we're going to be looking for here for me too, is trying to overtake this resistance area at around 1750. 1800. We get rejected from that, we'll probably head down to the 0.5, then retest it. But we need to continue pushing, guys. We're almost there. Let's crack that 382 and push up to that 236 area here. And I mean, look at, since the heavy drop right here, this was a nasty drop, I won't lie, guys. This thing dropped 89% from 2 whales getting out, and we recovered an astonishing 300%. Like today, if you bought the dip right here, you'd be up 3x on your investment on this coin, and it's still a very, very small market cap of only $172,000, 27k liquidity. What I also like about it too is if you check out their Twitter, they're constantly posting. That's what you want to see in meme coins, guys. All meme coins are pretty much a ticket to join a community, because that's all meme coins are, is a community. And if your community or your dev or stuff, or it's not communicating or communicating with the community or posting stuff, then what's the point of the meme coin? But they're constantly posting here on Twitter, which is awesome. Constantly being active with the community. They're doing raids on Reddit. They're doing raids everywhere, which is very, very attractive to me. And that's what kind of drew me to this project, is how hard they're pushing and how hard they've been marketing this project. It's all community driven too, guys. It's all community driven. So make sure you guys check out Me Too. You can just go to their website, Twitter, or Telegram. I am in their Telegram as well, so if you hop in their Telegram, make sure you at me, say at CC in their Telegram, so we can see how many of you guys hop on in. But yeah, I'm bullish on this coin, guys. I think give this thing a month and we'll be well over $1 million market cap for sure. Yo, we got Double D. Welcome to Charting Crypto OG Club. I appreciate it, brother. Thank you. Thank you for supporting the channel. Yeah, everything other than Coinbase coins I consider gambling pretty much. Rugged Me Too. What's up? Hey, we got Rugged Me Too in the house, man. The legend. Yeah, we were just talking about you. I'm the official Me Too here. Thanks for all the support you've been given. Yeah, one love, brother. Welcome to the live stream. Can you please look at AMP? I'm about to YOLO. Would you check it again? I respect your analysis. Oh, Meme AI. Yeah, you asked me about Meme AI earlier, didn't you? You did ask me about Meme AI earlier, but yeah, guys, definitely check out Me Too. Just type in Me Too on Deck Screener. They have the Telegram, Twitter, and website. Very active community, and I'm very bullish on this coin. Very bullish. So let's get into Meme AI. I think we charted that on TradingView, right? Yeah, we did on MEXC. Yo, we're gearing up. We're gearing up. You just there. I would be kind of cautious because even though we have the bullish chart going, it's not accurate all the time. I mean, there is the possibility of this thing. Oh shoot, there's the possibility of this thing breaking to the downside and going like this, but the indicators and everything are not showing that whatsoever. And if we go to the 4 hours, probably already have a reversal coming in. Yeah, the 4 hours looking really good. MACD right here stagnant, which means we're nearing the peak of the consolidation phase. And then you have the RSI, which is pretty reset as well. The RSI is sitting at about 37 and the WTX is reset. So I would be keeping an eye on a bounce point right here. Not financial advice whatsoever, but if you think this continuation pattern is gonna be playing out like this is the most optimal time to get in because you're exactly on that uptrend support area. So normally once you hit that, you'll be heading up here, and then that could be the possibility to break out and then head up to the 786. So I'm not telling you to buy, but if I was going to buy this coin or gamble on this coin, now would be the optimal time to get in if you think it's going to be going to the upside, because this is the reversal point. It needs to see a reversal right here, and I think it is. I think that's going to be the play. I think that so Meme AI is not looking bad, guys. It's looking like it's about ready to rally to the upside. So I can see where you're getting your FOMO from on that. I can definitely see it. Then if you draw the horizontal support, look at this. You're right on it, man. You were right on it. The horizontal with the downtrend resistance. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. But bada bing, bada boom, send it to the moon. Right? Yeah, Meme AI is going to be a good play. I think the market cap's small too, if I remember, right? Meme, MEMEAI. Yeah. I was gonna buy some of this. I saw you. I think I made a video on it this morning. $5 million market cap, man. This thing could absolutely send. Absolutely. I'm not trying to cause FOMO, but it looks good. It looks good, brother. I like the chart. I like the chart. And then you said, hey, then K again for 5, says Neuralink, N-Link. Whoa, what is this? There we go. Yo, we haven't charted this in a while, it looks like. Looks like we thought we were going to get a bounce off the 618, which we did. We did get that bounce off the 618, but now we currently need to try to overtake the 786. Let me clear this up and start fresh for you. Start fresh. Day chart right here. Okay, Neuralink right now is looking very similar to that Meme AI, where you have that continuation pattern currently at play right here. So you have the continuation pattern at play. Let me go to the short-term time frame again so we get a little bit more candles. And we are maybe not. I was gonna say we're currently going to be working our way up to the top of this symmetrical triangle right here. So I would be under the assumption that Neuralink's probably going to be heading up. I don't even know what that price range is on the right hand side, because this coin is so small, has so many zeros. But from where we're currently at, top to bottom, if we get over the 786 right here, we should start moving pretty quickly. If the indicators don't look horrible either, the WTX needs to break out of its downtrend resistance, which we haven't done that yet. We're coming on it, so I'd be keeping an eye on that. Once you break above that, that would confirm bullish. MACD is starting to work its way back up more bullish as well, so keep an eye on the 786. I have no idea what that price is on the right hand side, but if you break over that, you should be seeing a decent sized move. And then once you break out of the downtrend right here, that's what we'll start running up to that 1236 area here at about 5.83. So Neuralink doesn't look bad. I think it's at least going to be heading to the downtrend resistance area, approximately up here, which from where we're currently at is approximately a 15% move. So I'd keep an eye on a 15% move to that downtrend resistance, and then if we broke above that, that's where we'll start moving really quickly to the upside. But Neuralink doesn't look horrible. The chart doesn't look horrible at all. I mean, we're pretty much just repeating what we did right here. You can see how the similar thing. We had the flagpole, we had the consolidation, we went up. Now we have the flagpole, consolidation. It's just the ladder up effect. It's called the step up pattern. So yeah, I'm bullish on Neuralink. It's not looking bad whatsoever. It's not looking horrible at all. I think there's a N-Link chart on here, right? I think the N-Link chart on here has a little bit more data. Yeah, Neuralink's looking solid, man. Has a $911,000 market cap. What's my meme? AI moonshot high. Oh, you have to take that with a grain of salt, man. Meme coins can do whatever they want, but if we're just going by fibs, I'm just going by the fibs and bottom the top. This is saying 61 cents, and I think it can go much higher than that, because that market cap, how do we switch that? I know we can switch this to market cap somehow. Yeah, screw it. Because normally when you go from the high to the low during the bull run, you normally run up to your 1236 or 618, which is approximately 54 cents on this, which brings us to, yo, that's a 68x. Okay. Now we're talking. So yeah, I would say 50 cents plus. I think 50 cents plus is a definite target on this. I'd be keeping an eye on probably the 1236 area at about 12 cents. And then anything above this is gonna be the blow off top. You know, the blow off top lasts for like 3-4 days a week. So you'll see a quick run up and then they'll start crashing again. But I wouldn't be shocked at all if we did flirt with that 50-cent range with a wick or something like that. So meme AI, I think it does have like a 60 to 70x possibility of this bull run up to that 1618. It's looking good. It's looking good. Yo, we got Life of Neum sending me I think you did that last time, right? Mexican, that's Mexican money. I got some Mexican money. Based Street Bets. Much love, brother. Great community here. SBB community takeover. Oh, that's right. You've been posting that in the Discord, haven't you? Based Street Bets. I need to learn how to use the Base network. So I saw this like 4 days ago. I was like, oh, Base Chad, that looks pretty cool. I just don't know how to operate on Base. But my portfolio is already set. I don't know if I really want to operate on Base. Yeah, that's me. So Based Street Bets. Wow, there's some whales here. Look at that. Whale. Come on, load the chart. All right. So it definitely does look like a bottom is in here for BSB. If you look at this resistance area right here, we definitely broke out of that. And then before that, you had a steeper downtrend resistance area in which you broke out of. So we are officially bullish here since we put in our all-time high back in March 26. So that's good. If we look at the indicators here, MACD. Oh, this song has voices in it. I thought someone was talking to me for a second. I was like, what? And then if you look at the time frame right here, I think what we could be looking for base, since we broke out of this downtrend, is a slight pullback, and then that would be the spring that we need to push up higher from that point on to confirm our breakout. Because indicators right now, after breaking out of such a heavy resistance area, we're kind of overbought. We have the MACD that's currently rolling over a little bit, losing our bullish momentum. The RSI is a little high. So if I had to make an assumption, I think we'd probably be heading down a little bit more to test that prior resistance as support. And then from there would be the spring off event. And then we can start seeing a heavy reversal to the upside. And then I don't think fibs will work on this. Yeah, fibs really don't work on that. I mean, fibs, you can get real down and dirty and go on the short term right here. But I mean, doing fibs on the 15-minute time frame, I mean, it's kind of pointless. But 15-minute time frame, I mean, it is validating them, because you can see you touch the 382 right there, the 0.5 right there, you got the 618 right there. So short term, since earlier today, if you break out of this downtrend, you could be pushing up to that 1618 up here at approximately 1200, 1220. It doesn't look bad. It looks like you're finally bullish after you had the first blow off top. So it looks like the reversal is in the infant stages right now. And then if you go to their Twitter, obviously we have to check the Twitter, make sure they're active. 27th, 23 hours ago, they posted on the 29th, 28th, 28th, 28th. So yeah, they're active on their socials. So that's awesome. As long as they continue being active on their socials. And then how does their website look? Let's see. How does your website look? I base a lot of stuff off the website, believe it or not. Where am I even at? I'm lost. Oh, there we go. Believe it or not, you know how people say don't judge a book by its cover? I judge meme coins by their website. Like, it could be an amazing meme coin, but if I look at the website and it looks like absolute garbage for some reason, I'm just not attracted to it, and I won't put money in. But this website looks good. Trust me, there's a lot of really crappy websites out there. Yeah, but this is good. About Us, based street bets, is not just a meme coin. It's a symbol of creativity, humor, and the power of united community, inspired by the infamous Wall Street Bet subreddit. Base Street Bets is here to put respect on the Wall Street originated memes in the industry. What's their tokenomics? So LP burnt, renounced, no tax. Yeah, it doesn't look horrible. I mean, the market cap's a little too high for me to get in already. I like down and dirty market caps. $100,000 market caps are lower, but I mean, if this is one of the big hitters on base, I really don't know how the base chain runs. But the one thing I can say is you did break out of your downtrend that you've been in since March 26th. So that is extremely bullish within itself. Hopefully we start seeing a heavy reversal to the upside, man. Base is cool, not hard to learn. Yeah, and like Liam mentioned in the Discord, I mean, base is a layer, what I think you said layer 2 for Coinbase. So obviously it's going to get a lot of attraction. So who knows? It might not be a bad idea to float around on it. It's just I don't want to move any more money around. My portfolio is where it's at. But I bet there's probably some really solid meme coins on there. And the bad part is if I started flirting with meme coins on base, then I'll just start dumping more money in, which just gives me more chance to, you know, more chance to lose money. But yeah, it doesn't look bad, man. It definitely doesn't look bad. I like the website. I like how active they are, and the chart just flipped bullish. So gear up, get ready to rock and roll. Yeah, Coinbase L2. Coinbase L2, correct. Okay. Practically zero fees. Yeah, once you get Ethereum over there, right? You need to get Ethereum over there. And then once you get Ethereum over there, it's pretty much zero fees. Pretty much zero fees. So what did I miss in the chat? Any more super chats? Any more member requests? Oh, Kevin. Kevin's not a member anymore, it looks like. Oh yeah, he got donated one. That's right. I have to go get some coyotes out the yard to take the dogs. I'll see you in a bit. Have fun, man. I have coyotes around my place too, but they're afraid of my dogs. Very sleepy. Very sleepy. Listen to like cool music. Can I look at AMP on the 1 month chart? I want to look at it on the MEXC. Amp on the 1 month. What am I supposed to be looking at on the 1 month? I really can't do TA on AMP on the 1 month. Sam's $589 million market cap, 56 billion coins in circulation on a 99. We have 1 cent right here, 1 cent AMP with an all-time high of 12. This coin's been out for approximately 2020, so 4 years. So I should be able to find a chart, right? Oh, my bad, 1 day. There we go, there we go. Yeah, this is looking good. This is looking good, man. AMP isn't looking horrible. If you look at the chart right now, similar thing that like a lot of other coins are doing right now. A lot of consolidation has happened in the month of March, guys. I know the month of March was boring. BTC didn't do a whole lot. Some altcoins bled out, but a lot of them just consolidated sideways, just slowly bleeding out. And a lot of them are forming symmetrical triangles like this, which are extremely bullish, guys. And we're nearing the peak on almost all the altcoins that we've looked at so far. So it's soon, very, very soon, altcoins are going to be experiencing another large pump. So not financial advice, but make sure you have your bags effing packed, because you don't want to be going to the moon without any bags. Trust me, it's a sad, sad place when you're going to the moon and you don't have any bags. But right now, yeah, it does look like we're nearing the peak of that triangle on the day chart. The MACD here is starting to roll over. What I mean by that is we're not getting as large of bearish golfing candles that we were prior. So it's showing the bearish momentum is weakening. If we look at the RSI is also looking pretty good, pretty reset right there. And along with the WTX is not overbought anymore in AMP. So I wouldn't be shocked at all. I wouldn't be shocked at all if soon we saw a movement to the upside on this. And I'll actually go to the 4-hour chart because they'll give us a little bit more of that short-term swing. And yeah, that short-term swing, man, we can go all the way till maybe April 2nd would be the latest that we could go before we saw a move to the upside. But yeah, AMP's looking good. AMP's looking like it's about ready to push to the upside. And if we did happen to break out, if we go from the bottom to the top right here, that would be a push up to around 3 to 4 cents. Yeah, 3 to 4 cents, man. And then top to the bottom right here, once we do break out of the symmetrical triangle, the next resistance area is the 618 at about 1.3. And then once you get above 1.3, you can run back to that high that you experienced right here. So yeah, AMP's looking like a move's about ready to come and play here pretty soon. Yo, we got Life of Liam again for 50 MX. It says SHX. The heck, that is not the SHX chart. I think we used Gate.io if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so SHX. I'm not sure if I made a video on. I made a video on this recently, didn't I? I think I did. But what we're going to be looking for SHX, top to the bottom right here, is keeping our support at the 618. We're currently testing that 618 out of support. We're riding on it exactly. That is kind of our life support. It's been our life support since February. You see, we tested it multiple times in February, and once we broke above it, we capitulated pretty quickly back down to that 382. So we don't want that to happen. If we do happen to break below that 618, I wouldn't be surprised at all if you did see another push down to that 382 area. But the great thing going for you guys right now is the 618 is a very powerful support area when you're above it. You can see how many times we tested it back here before we actually broke below it. Multiple times of testing that support. And on top of that, if we look at the 4-hour, the 4-hour MACD is heading towards a bullish crossover. The last 4, 8, 12 hours, we've been getting less and less bearish candles, which is showing bullish strength. And then we have the RSI pretty reset right here at around 47. So the RSI below 50, that's technically reset, and the WTX is below 0, that's reset. Hopefully we see a bounce coming off of the 618. And then obviously once you break above that 618, your next main resistance area is the 786 here at around 1.1. You see what happened last time we touched the 618, then we did the 786, 618, 786, 618, didn't reach it, and then capitulated. So I'd be keeping an eye on maybe something like this and then rally, or hopefully we bounce off of this and then run. But for whatever we do, you do not want to break below that 618 at approximately 0.085. We break below 0.085, there's a good chance that we're heading back down here to 0.06. Yeah. But the indicators are looking strong. I don't think the 618s would be breaking. I mean, I guess the worst case scenario would be you're forming a massive symmetrical triangle, something like this possibly. You go top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, then rally out. But regardless, I don't think SHX is going to be going, you know, below 7.75 for the remainder of the bull run. This thing should be gearing up and getting ready to rock and roll pretty soon. Just keep an eye on that 618, man. That 618 will be your storyteller. And then my bull run prediction is obviously the high to the low with the fibs, which is from here to here. Bull run prediction, I think this coin is probably going to be heading to around 15 cents. So 15 cents from where we're currently at is approximately a 15-16x left in the tank. So yeah, 15-16x on this, I think is possible in the bull run up to that 1618. Yo, we got Nick P for 20 bones. I appreciate it, brother. WTK, hello, Realm. Can you check short and long term? My only 3 holdings. Yes, we sure can, dude. Yes, we sure can. Can you check, analyze Aurora coin, please? I uploaded a video like a half an hour ago on Aurora for you, dude. Yeah, I just uploaded it. Yeah, right here, Aurora. I just uploaded it right before the live stream. Cheers. So WTK, what is WTK? What the... Oh, Watts Pay, that's right, Watts Pay. I knew I heard that word before. So Watts Pay is down 5.2 at 003. We don't have the market cap. So we actually need to get on coin market cap here. And do WTK. So this thing says it has a $15 million market cap, 100,000 million billion, has half the coins in circulation, 500 million out of 1 billion coins in circulation. Okay, I'll believe that. And then the market cap, not market cap, currently market is Bitmart, XSwap, and BitTrue. It does have a little warning up here though. Due to Bitmart security breach, Watts Pay has been redeployed from the old contract to a new one. Find out more. What's their new one? Apparently it's, I don't know how long that could have happened a couple years ago. Oh shoot, I just closed out my there we go. WTK. Wow, this thing is just respecting the crap out of that uptrend support area, is it not? Ever since August of 2022, man, you're just like, every time you could have just been like, hey, every time it hits that line, I'm gonna buy, and you would have bought the bottom every single time on every single one of those dips. Insane, man, insane. And you still are putting in higher highs too. It's slow. I mean, they're not as high of highs, but you're getting there. So Watts Pay. Looks like we have a little wedge pattern going on here. The MACD on the day chart is bullish, so we are bullish there. We have the RSI currently seeing a slight retracement with the WTX neutral. What we could possibly be experiencing here if we drop from the high to the low would be, oh, we're on the 618. So keep an eye on the 618 here at about 3 cents, which we're exactly on 3 cents. If we happen to break below 3 cents, we're probably going to go back down to that uptrend support area at around 2.5 to test that out before we start rallying to the upside. But I don't see any reason why Watts Pay would break below this uptrend support that it's held for multiple years, not just 1 year. It's been holding it since August of 2022. Multiple years it's been holding it, or what, like a year and a half. So Watts Pay right now, keep an eye on the 618. If we break below that, we're heading to 2.5. Inevitably though, I think the play would most likely be something like this, you know, touch that, then head back up here. And eventually something's got to give and you'll be rallying to the upside. So next time we get up there might be the time, because the last time we were up there was November 2023. We haven't tested this resistance area, this uptrend resistance area right here in 2024. So hopefully 2024 is the year that you break out and start running. Now, if we had to make a bull run prediction, obviously the bull run predictions last time, what was this? The bull run high was back in November 2021. We'll take this with a grain of salt. From the top to the bottom right there, we actually are above our 382, which is awesome. 382 next resistance area bring us up to 10 cents for watts pay. But I think for the bull run, what we could be looking forward to is a possible move back up to around, I would say, it'd have to be more than 20 cents, right? What's the market cap on this? 15 million. Yeah, that's not right. That's right there. Yeah, so the possibility of going up to $2, I'd say, is on the table for watts pay, something like this, and then rally up to $2, and then anything after that's bonus dollars, because usually you run up to the 1 2 3 6 from the prior bull run top to the bear market bottom. As long as they didn't put a bunch more coins in circulation throughout the bear market, the next bull run you normally run up to that 1 2 3 6 area, which is sitting at about $2. And then once you get into, you know, the parabolic, you know, mania phase where you have like 2 days to get in and get out, then, you know, that is anywhere within here. But reasonably speaking, I think $2 for this coin, $2 in this coin for the bull run is definitely possible here at the 1 2 3 6. And then he said hello. Hello broke. Oh man, hello broke is expanding wedge. Hopefully he didn't break that 618. Oh no. Yeah, that's not good. We broke below our 618 right now, so hopefully it's a fake out, man, because we do not want to break below the lifelong 618. So we're currently below that right now. The thing we got going for us though is the MACD's losing its bearish momentum, the RSI is reset, and the WTX is reset. So hopefully this is a fake out right here, and in the next day or so we come back above that 618, because we don't want to be flirting. We don't want to be flirting down here, man. We don't want to be tipping our toes in there. We want to maintain above that 618. But right now we're below it just a little bit, not a lot. And then we have our top to the bottom right here, from the 2023 to the 2024 top. We are currently above, you know, the 382 area right here at about 5.7. So 5.7 I'd say is our next support area, and hopefully we get a bounce off of that and we can start rallying back up to around 9 cents, which would continue this downtrend. I mean, still be bearish, putting in lower highs and lower lows, but inevitably, man, you're going to be rallying out of here and putting in higher highs. But in the meantime, that, like I mentioned, that lifelong fib, we're below the 618. Let's get back to that. And then the short-term fib, your support sitting at about that 382. So I'm actually going to draw a green box here for you. You have to bounce within this box. Yeah, we have to bounce within this box right here for a reversal to the upside. So if you're gambling, man, and not financial advice, now would be the time to accumulate some more. Not telling you to buy it or anything, but now's the time where it's in the support area of a normal bottom. Then you can start looking for that reversal to the upside. Why do I have text? Or something like this. So hello's not looking bad. Indicators are looking really good for a reversal to the upside. 4-hour time frame. Yeah, 4-hour time frame is just verifying that to me, that movement to the upside. You can see we dipped our toes a little bit here. We're going to get a double bottom. I think that's going to be the case. Bottom, and then start rallying back up to around 10, 11 cents here. And then once we get up here, we'll reassess the situation. Yeah, I don't think there's nothing to worry about that we're below that 618 right now. But if you start getting down to around 5.5, then I would be a little bit worried if we got below 5.5. That's where I'd start being a little bit like, what's going on here? But as of right now, I don't think Hello's would be seeing a capitulation. I think we're nearing the bottom of this downtrend, and then we'll start rallying higher on Hello. And then you said Realm, R-E-A-L-M. Not bad, not bad. Lifelong fib here. Looks like we've done this one before too. We got rejected off the 382. Currently working on our retracing back down to the 236, but the indicators right now aren't looking bad right here. We've been losing our bearish momentum the last 2 days. The RSI is reset, WTX is reset. So we're actually gonna be going off the short-term fib on this instead of the long-term fib. Push from the top to the bottom. We're below the 618, that's not good. Which on the top to the bottom, we're below the 618 right now. So hopefully we can get back above the six. Oh no, we are back above it. I didn't see that green candle that just spawned in. We are back above it. You can see the power of that 618. We have to maintain above that 618 as support. It was pretty heavy resistance when you fell below it right here. But indicators, like I mentioned, are about to flip bullish right now on the day chart. 4-hour time frame. Yeah, 4-hour time frame is bullish AF. 4-hour time frame, we're probably heading up to test that downtrend resistance area out at approximately, I'd say 4 to 5 cents for realm. But overall, let's see. I think realm. The thing about realm, I think I remember looking at this. I think didn't they put more coins in circulation? We looked at the website and stuff, and I was very, very interested in it. Right, we go to their website. Public beta is now open. Portals to infinite possibility. Play games, collect rare NFTs, explore immersive art. Yeah, we were looking at this. This is something I'd be interested in playing. I remember that. Virgin reality, your actions in our virtual world are designed to make the real world a better place. Become a force for the good in the world by playing fun games on your phone and connecting to causes that can care about. Plant a tree in the realm and we'll plant a tree in reality. Clean plastic in the realm and we'll clean up plastic in the oceans. Plant coral in the realms and we'll restore coral habitats in real life. That's awesome, man. Sign up below for early access. Maybe I'll do that. Yeah, I like it, man. I don't, even if I don't own the coin, I'll probably play the game. I like it. I'm actually gonna put a note on that. Let me see. Here's my notes. I like it. I think it's a good play, man. Small market cap. I like that a lot. Very small market cap. Leaves room for some big pumps during the bull run, especially if they start getting some traction. You know, they start getting some posts about them and stuff like that, and they actually start you know, I don't, like they said, they plant a tree and stuff like that. Like if they start posting videos and stuff and starting to get some traction on social media, I can see that thing pushing much higher. And inevitably you have your all-time high, your bull run possibility here. Take it with a grain of salt. Is approximately the 1236 area right here at about $1 to $1. Yeah, $1 to $1.50. And then anything over that's bonus dollars. Anything over that's in the, you know, the 2-3 day parabolic phase where you have to get in and get out real fast. So yeah, I think this thing does have a chance to go to $1, which from where we're currently at, wow, that's a 334x. Now I'm kind of intrigued. Because it started out at 18 cents. So let me see. Max market cap. Oh, they did put more coins in circulation though, so it's going to take a little bit more buying power to re-reach those all-time high prices. But that all-time high price was last bull run top. That's possible, dude. This might be a good play. It might be a great play actually. So good stuff. I like this coin. I really do. So space, you don't have to send me super chats every time. I appreciate the super chats, but any chance I can ball the bull run prediction for Aurora? We were looking at KuCoin, right? Bull run for prediction for Aurora. AURORA. Yeah, $163 million market cap. All-time high was $9. Oh, 1 second. Let's see if they put more coins in circulation. Boom. Yeah, so they put more coins in circulation. Looks like December 2023. which means it's going to take a little bit more buying power to re-reach the all-time high price of 19. Oh, this went 35. But the 19 one on KuCoin. But if I had to make a prediction from the top to the bottom, I would be keeping an eye on probably going back up to those highs at around $10, between $10 and $35. I know that sounds crazy, but they did put more coins in circulation, so I'm not very keen on saying that 1, 2, 3, 6 area, because you're gonna need a lot more buying power to re-reach those all-time high prices since there's a lot more coins in circulation. So realistically, I would be keeping an eye probably on around $10. Anything over that, I'd be happy to be wrong if it went over that. But for just to be safe, I would say $10, which from where we're currently at is approximately a 27x. So yeah, 27x is nothing to sneeze at here. So I'd say a 27x is possible. And then if we did go to that 1, 2, 3, 6 area, that's a 106x. That's about 100x. But I'm gonna be conservative and say back to the high here at around $10 on KuCoin for Aurora. I think that could be I think that'll be a good play. So another coin that we found right at launch was it's called Whiff with the little squiggly. It's called Whiff Stash. This coin ripped today, guys. Look at this. We got in this coin at launch right here. We got in this coin right here. If you're part of my Discord, you know when I get in launches or I find a gem, I post it on the Discord before making any videos or anything like that. For example, let me pull up the Telegram or my Discord for you guys just to show. So you see, this is my Discord right here. What I do when I find some gems, I put it in, I think I put it in alerts. Yeah, I put it in alerts. Like everyone, after doing research and talking to the dev and dep, I think we might have found the next Solana play. Me too. The last Solana play we found did 12x. We found Me Too at $7,000 market cap, and it went to $400,000 market cap. The one prior to that was, see, everyone free airdrop. All you have to do is launch. This is where we got into Whiff Stash, which is the coin we're going over. And then prior to that was this one right here. Found a great play on Solana. Check out PoQ on Sol. This coin we got in at I think it was a $15,000 market cap, and it ran up to a $400,000 market cap on Sol. So I mean, I got lucky. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna get it right every single time, but the last 3 plays have been pretty dang solid, if you ask me. But yeah, I always post them on my Discord first, and then I make videos on it. So the Discord members always get alerted what coins I'm kind of looking at first for some good plays. But yeah, this is that Whiff Stash right here, putting in a new all-time high. This coin is actually creating a Web3 cartoon series, like a legit cartoon, like high-class cartoon series, that they're going to be that they're going to try to. I don't know if they're going to try to broadcast it on TV or something like that, but they're creating. Let's see, they'll post about it on their Twitter probably. You can probably find out on their Telegram or website. But yeah, they're working on creating a cartoon for like a Family Guy type cartoon. It sounds like. The dev and I talk quite frequently on this. We just chit chat a little bit and kind of giving me a little bit of information of what the cartoon's going to be about. But it's a kind of pretty good movement, guys. Like Whiff Stash. You know how there was Whiff Hat, Whiff Stash. You can put a mustache on everything, right? You can put a mustache on everything. But the market cap on this right now is at 746 million. It's pretty high. We got in at a $100,000 market cap, I'd say. But yeah, I think this is definitely a solid play too. And they have a sex listing coming up, if I'm not mistaken. They have a sex listing coming up too. Make sure you guys check out Whiff Stash. I think this one could be a really good Solana play as well, as Whiff Stash. And then also another Solana play is Solo. You can't knock Solo, man. Salordi, Solordi. Yeah, this coin, this was actually the first Solana coin that I bought in 2024. And it sounds like I'm bragging here, but I'm really not. But I bought this coin. We bought this coin 5 hours after it got launched. I don't know what made me buy it, but we bought it five hours after it got launched at $35,000 market cap. And look at this, constantly putting in higher highs and higher lows. This is a great looking chart, but it's at a $3 million market cap, guys. $3 million market cap. They're the first ordinal, what is it? AR ordinal NFT, if I'm not mistaken. The world's first BTC ordinal inscription on Solana, pioneering gaming. Oh yeah, they're doing gaming. Someone said that in the Discord or in the chat, right? Yeah, Tyler did. Solo working on game trailer should go up quite a bit after that, hopefully. Yeah, this one's a pretty cool Solana play too. I guess they're going in the gaming now. So I really don't mess around on Solana a lot. Like I really don't. There's just so many scam coins out there. So what I normally, so the only Solana plays that I'm in are Salordi, Whiff, Me Too, Poku. I think that's it. Because I really don't. Luckily, I've only been rug pulled once on Solana coins. And if you've never been rug pulled before, you're probably lying. You're probably lying. Salordi to the moon. Yeah, Salordi's looking geared up for a move, guys. For real. Look at this downtrend resistance area you've been in the entire month of March. If you draw the fib from the high to the low, you guys have been bouncing off that 0.5 resistance area once, twice. Once you break above, I'd say 003, what is this? The 618 said as 0035. Once you break above 0035, that's when you're going to start seeing some very, very volatile move to the upside. Something similar to this. You can see what happened when we broke out of this downtrend right here. Once we broke out of that downtrend, we started going straight up. And then obviously the rinse and repeat, broke out of this downtrend, started going straight up. It's just rinse and repeat, guys. Rinse and repeat. And what happens is you go up and then everyone's like, oh, the coin's dead, what's going on, and then it goes to the moon and everyone's happy, and then it goes like this and everyone's like, oh, the coin's dead, and then it goes up. And that's also a rinse and repeat thing. It's very, very annoying if you're in the community and there's people that do that, but I mean, it's bound to happen, man. This would be a lot of people's first cycles, and they've never experienced anything like it before. They've never experienced volatility like that before. But you know, us veterans that are in here, we know how to ride this roller coaster. And right now, I think this is just playing the same old tune. And eventually, once we break out, you'll probably be running up to that, you know, running up to that 006 there, probably up to 5 to 6 cents once you break out on the next move, which would bring us up to probably about a $10 million market cap, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see what's going on in the chats here. King Somo bullish, HCS token, especially karate. Karate is crazy bullish, dude. I am so bullish on karate. I love it. I love it. Oh, what's his name? I always forget his name in the Discord. He's the one who showed me karate. He's like a Hedera maxi. He showed us hash key on Hedera. I'm very bullish on that coin too. Hash key on Hedera, hash. Yeah, this meme coin on Hedera, I think is gonna absolutely rip. That's pretty much the only coin that I own on Hedera though, is karate and hash. It's all working on a game. Take some cream off the top. Provici. How's Floki looking? I went in big in 2022 and I'm up a lot. Debating whether to rotate in another coin or hodl to the moon. Well, Floki's absolutely ripping, man. And I don't give financial advice, but let's take a look at Floki. I'll say this, Floki's bull run isn't even over yet. Floki's bull run's just getting started. If you look at the MACD on the day chart right here, the MACD is working towards a bullish crossover. Every day since the 22nd, we've been less and less bearish. RSI is looking pretty good, and then the WTX looks pretty reset. So what I could be expecting here for Floki is a push up to that 1618 here at around 001. Now, why do I think that? Because look at this downtrend. You have the downtrend right here, and then you have your uptrend resistance area. And we're nearing the peak of this convergence right here, which is about April 2nd. So about April 2nd, Floki should experience some sort of move to the upside. Should. Not saying it will, but it should. And normally you go the length of the flagpole, which is this length, which, oh shoot, which brings us roughly to that 1618 or a little bit above. So Floki, I think the next main resistance area is probably up at that 1618, which is another 478%, so 4.7x move, I think is left with Floki. So we'll keep an eye on that. Now, are there more riskier plays that you can get in where you can get a lot better return? Yes, but I think Floki's a safe bet. And if you're worried about it, maybe take a little skin off the table and let the rest ride. But I think Floki, we're not even in the parabolic phase of the bull run yet, and Floki's putting in new all-time highs almost. And once you break above that all-time high that you experienced back here, Floki's just going to start going straight up. So Floki is kind of the alpha dog of the pack right now. So I'm super bullish on it. So congrats on being in, man. Congrats, you bought it in 2022 and you're up big. Congrats. That's awesome. Floki will run hard. Yes, I agree. Floki will run very, very hard. Yo, King Sumo, have you seen Hedera Hashbot? I just posted it up in the DGen corner in CC's Discord. Pleasure, Salordi to the moon. What else do we got? We got Slowlo, just got listed on Bitmart at 3K floor, needs to break again. Yep. Normally when coins get listed on exchanges, that's bearish. People usually sell that volume. Because they're actually able to sell their coins without very high slippage when it gets listed on exchanges. So normally when you get listed on an exchange, you experience a large amount of sells, but it's normal. It's normal. It's any volume's good volume. Well, maybe not, but have to go get some coyotes back day one. Yo, CC, if you're bored, check out Black Cock. You do? Let's check out some Black Cock. Cock eating. Damn, $4.2 million market cap. That is insane. Oh my god, imagine being the person who bought the top right here and then held this entire time and then sold like 2 days before it started going straight up. Oh my god, I bet there's someone who did that. There has to be someone who did that. As of right now, let's see. Going on there. So in the downtrend there, and then you have your uptrend resistance area here. So I guess you're in this kind of falling wedge type pattern. And obviously you're not bullish until you break out of it, but these type of patterns are technically considered bullish. Eventually, once you break out to the upside, you see very, very large moves. Now MACD, RSI. Now Black Cock right now, we're looking at the MACD, and the MACD is about ready to flip bullish. The MACD is about ready to flip bullish on the day chart. RSI is actually oversold, and we actually put in a higher low. So yeah, Black Cock looks like it's about ready to rise. We're about ready to see a large move to the upside for Black Cock here, guys. Probably back up to around 795, which from where we're currently at, it's a 45% move. And then inevitably, once you break out of that downtrend resistance area, Black Cock's going to start making some higher highs. But really not a whole lot more to say about Black Cock than that. How's my baby Bonk doing? Baby Bonk, come on. Oh shoot, that's not good. That's no bueno right there. Now we have to rely on our fibs for baby bonk. Top to the bottom. Yo, we might be heading back down. We might be going down a little bit lower for baby bonk, ladies and gentlemen. We might be going down. Maybe go hide in your bunkers for a couple days unless something big comes. What's that price range? Top to bottom. That's another possible 18% drop for baby bonk. I mean, I wouldn't be shocked if that did happen, because that would be confirming a double bottom, similar to right here. You can see we can have the body of the candle, then wick down there. We can have the body of the candle, then wick down there, which would be a 1 bottom, 2 bottom, and then we can start rallying to the upside. But yeah, this chart is not bullish right now. Yeah, baby bonk making that double bottom. Yep. Baby bonk will hit 0.236. Then buy more. That's the plan. That's the plan. 1 bottom, 2 bottom, then rally out. And like I say, W's in crypto are bullish, guys. W's in crypto are bullish. M's in crypto are bearish. I don't know where I can find an M, but M's in crypto are bearish. W's in crypto are bullish. So let's wait for that double bottom to happen. And then to the moon, guys. If you haven't noticed, I'm a baby bonk maxi. I have like my little baby bonk patch here and everything. Actually got a big one too. A big baby bonk patch. So kind of a baby bonk maxi. This thing's gonna take me to the promised land. And then we already went over baby Pepe, but this is another one I'm bullish on. If you missed baby bonk, baby Pepe is probably not a bad play. They're pretty much the exact same coin. They have the same marketing team, same exact contracts, same everything. It's just rebranded as baby Pepe, but this is only at a $1.7 million market cap. So not financial advice. If I was just now getting in and I had to pick between the two, I probably would pick baby Pepe over baby bonk. Because baby Pepe right now, look at the 4-hour chart. We're about ready to rip ass, dude. We are about ready to cross over bullish and smash through these resistance areas and then effing fly. So yeah, right now, baby Pepe is looking really, really, really bullish. Baby bonk's looking kind of bearish right now. So maybe I'll roll some of my baby bonk into baby Pepe. We'll see. I'll buy some more baby Pepe. But yeah, the chart's looking really good on baby Pepe. I'm pretty excited to see what comes this week. I think there was a huge buy. I think somebody knows something, because if you zoom back here, there was a massive buy today on baby Pepe. Where was it at? Yeah, someone bought $13,462 worth of baby Pepe with one buy. You don't just do that into a random meme coin, right? So you don't just toss 13.5 grand into a random meme coin unless you know something. I feel like somebody knows something. Otherwise, who would just toss 13K into a coin that hasn't been doing much for a while? But yeah, someone dropped 13K in this coin today. I feel like they know something. So that's what I'm pretty excited about, waiting to see what's going to happen. Yeah, then once we break over that 382, that's when we'll start running. But yeah, if I had to pick between the two, between baby bonk and baby Pepe, if I was just now getting in, it would definitely be baby Pepe. I feel like something's cooking. I feel like something's cooking on baby Pepe. That's not much. 13,000's not much. Chump change. Or it could be coordinated pump and dump. It happens a lot in meme tokens. Yeah, I guess it could. I feel that happened in ours yesterday too. Well, I mean, if you look at me too, we went up like 2,000x or 2,000% in a day. I mean, we're recovering nice on me too. Once you break above this area, which it looks like we're gearing up for it, guys. If we actually break above this area, there's no resistance until we get up to the 2450 for me too. They look for small moves, look for a sale after that. But yeah, look at this. On the 1 hour time frame, our MACD's about ready to flip bullish on me too. 1 hour time frame's about ready to flip bullish. 4 hours in, but it's a rather new coin, so we're not really going to rely on the 4 hour. We'll keep an eye on it. I think this thing will easily go over $1 million market cap here. Just got to give it some time. Just got to give it some time. Buy more baby bonk. All right, guys, so we are going to keep it a short live stream tonight, so I do have time to take one more coin request. I know usually we do 2-hour time streams, our live streams, but I'm extremely exhausted today, guys. I was up at like 4:30 this morning. If you haven't noticed, I put out some videos very early this morning, but I do have time for one more live stream. Maybe I'll do another live stream. Yeah, I'll do another live stream tomorrow. I probably won't get that many viewers because it's Easter. But who knows, maybe most of you guys don't celebrate Easter. Nom, please. I'm not doing nom, brother. I actually just posted an nom video not that long ago. Earlier today, about an hour ago, I posted an nom video. Leave the man alone. Oh geez, I'm gonna go cry myself to sleep tonight thinking about nom. I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. Yo, we got Double D in the house as ICP. Insane Clown Posse. That's a band, right? ICP. So ICP, man, look at that. We came back from the dead from September 2023. Indicators here on the day chart, we are losing our bullish momentum. The RSI is starting to see a reversal as well, as well as the WTX, Daniel Kim, I appreciate the super chat. $10, appreciate you. He probably got that from all the money he made off of Omnom that I didn't. He's probably an Omnom millionaire. I'm sitting here because I cheated. This Insane Clown Posse brings me way back. Thanks for the memories. Yeah, I think that was like a band back when I was in high school. But yeah, ICP right now, this is what I'm currently looking for. I did post a video on that earlier today as well. I think we're gonna be probably heading down to around that $15.50 area. The MACD's starting to roll over bearish. RSI is rolling over. WTX is rolling over. Also, we had a lot of confluence around that price area going all the way back to February 2022. You can see it was pretty heavy support. And then coming up to this area, it was pretty heavy resistance. We tested it once, we tested it twice, and then we broke above it. So I think all we're gonna be doing is heading back down to around 1550. And I don't think we have, I don't think we're going to be breaking below that. I think all we're going to be doing is testing it as support, and then from there rallying up to the 1236. So in the short term, I'm going to be slightly bearish on ICP, approximately a 11% drop, and then after that we could be experiencing a large pump up, a 121% pump up to that 1236. So ICP is not looking bad. Casper good. Casper's okay. I wouldn't buy Casper though. Time, we have to look at time. We've been looking at time for like 2 years now. Man, we've had this chart. I'm not even shitting you. We've had this chart drawn since 2022. It's playing out. It's playing out slowly but surely. Slowly but surely, it's playing out, man. Time will have its time, as we've said over and over. MACD's pretty indecisive. One day it's bearish, next day it's not so bearish. If you look at the RSI is sitting here at around 54. And then you also have the WTX sitting there pretty neutral. So in the short term right now, we're currently just finding rejection off the 382 area right here at about 37, but I do think this horizontal support at 30 is going to hold. That was a pretty heavy resistance area going back to November 2023. We tested it as resistance once, and then in 2024 January we tested it, January we tested it, January we tested it, March we tested it. So we tested it multiple times before we broke above it. So breaking a heavy resistance area and flipping it into support does the same thing for the support. It makes the support very, very strong. So if anything, I think all times to be doing possibly consolidating around that $30 area until we head up to that 618 at about 70. But inevitably, man, that wave 5 blow off, it's happening. I mean, we had this drawn sense right here, and it's playing out exactly as we drew it. Not saying that's going to follow it to the T, but we are in somewhat of a megaphone pattern. You can't deny that. You can't deny that at all. Just buy some RSR and VXV and sit back and chill. I like VXV. I like VXV a lot. I don't own any though. I like the small market cap. I love the circulating supply about it. That's what I really like about it. And then the all-time high on this coin is 1919. I think it's easily going to overtake that. Easily overtake that. Ah, my coins. Do not redeem. Do not redeem. Thanks for subscribing, Fabio. Thanks, Fabio. Everything's about to break out. I think the retracement period is officially over. I'd say sometime at the beginning of April, all coins should start going straight up. Sometime in April, all coins should start going straight up. Oh boy. I guess we'll look at Quant. That's not my chart. It's not my chart. It's not my chart. There we go. Oh man, Quant just put in a double top. Quant's the new stable coin, dude. I swear, Quant is the new stable coin. Quant right now, you need to stay above 0.5 at 131. You break below 131, you're heading back down to the 382 at $100. And that would confirm the double top. So you have a one top, two top, top. Like I said, M's in crypto are bearish, W's in crypto are bullish. As of right now, Quant's forming a double top. Keep an eye on 130. We do not want to break below 130. Indicators, MACD is about ready to flip bearish. RSI seeing a retracement. WTX is starting to see a retracement. So 130 has to hold. If we break below 130, hold your nose because we're going back down to $100 on Quant. Are you agree BTC next to 90K? I think 85K, but yeah. Yeah, I think the next top for BTC is the 1236 at about 85K. Then even if you go from the bear market top to the bottom, you do have that 100K at the 1236 area right here. And we did break above the all-time high, so we're still holding pretty good on BTC. But all right, guys, with that, I appreciate everybody who tuned in. Sorry if I didn't get to your coin charted. If I got to everyone's coin, I'd be sitting here all night. That's why I do memberships. If you're a member and I see a BTC logo next to your name, I will always chart your coin. So that's, you can just have to become a member of the channel. Or super chats, I always chart super chats. I tried it, and when I don't have those pop up, I do look at the community and I do get coins from there, but those always take priority, guys. Just letting you guys know. So with that, none of this is that I said is financial advice. I appreciate everybody who tuned into the live stream. Make sure you guys join the Discord channel too. The Discord channel is below in the description. I'm there every single day. It's a great group of people to chat with. Easiest way to get a hold of me if you guys want to talk. So I hope you all have a great night, and I hope you guys have a great Easter, and we'll possibly do another live stream tomorrow. So we'll have a great night, and thank you guys again.